What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about the 10 grooming mistakes a lot of us guys are still making. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like David Carroll, salute. Now, oftentimes in life, there are things that just happen to slip by the wayside, things we need to be reminded to do. And that definitely includes some grooming habits. I know there are things when it comes to grooming that I sometimes overlook that I need to be reminded of. And that's what I want to talk to you about on today's video. On today's video, I'm going to talk about some grooming mistakes you might not know you're making, or you just needed me to remind you to take care of them. So without any further delay, let's hop into 10 grooming mistakes us guys still might be making. First up on the list is a mistake I know I definitely fall into quite often. That's using your razor too long without changing it out. I know for me, a lot of times I won't change my razor out because I'm being a little cheap, trying to get as much as I can out of my dollar. But you and I are only hurting ourselves when we don't change our razors out. For one, the newer the blade, the cleaner and smoother the shave. The older the blade, bacteria can build up, leading to irritation. Not only that, older blades can pull and tug, leading to ingrown hairs and razor bumps. So how often should you change your blade? For somebody like me that shaves just about every day, I would give it 4 or 5 shaves. If you're someone who doesn't shave quite as often, every 2 weeks. But whatever you do, don't hold on to that old razor blade. Next up on the list of the style mistakes I see a lot of guys making, thinking you don't need a skincare routine. Now, I know a lot of fellas think taking care of your skin is girly. I'm here to tell you that couldn't be any further from the truth. Don't you want your face to look healthier, fresher, and younger? Having a skincare routine will help you do that. I like to think about it like this. No matter what I wear, I'm wearing the same face every day. Don't I want to put the best one on? A skincare routine helps you do that. Helps you look young, fresh, bright, and healthier. So get over those thoughts of thinking taking care of your skin is girly. It's not. It actually will help you look even more handsome. Now, some of the pushback I get from guys who don't have a skincare routine is because they find it to be complicated, intimidating, and they just don't know what to do. On top of the fact that they think it's going to be too expensive. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not if you use the skincare system from today's video sponsor, T.J. Hanley. A lot of guys just have difficulty knowing what to use, how to use it, and how often to use it. T.J. Hanley takes care of all of that for you. T.J. Hanley is the perfect skincare routine for us guys. That's because it's simple, affordable, and most importantly, very effective. When you sign up for the T.J. Hanley skincare system, you get everything you need to take care of your skin on the daily. I'm talking about your wash, your moisturizer, your scrub, and for us OGs, a skin tightening serum and that eye cream. What I love about T.J. Hanley, it takes the guesswork out of skincare. They send you the right amount that you need for the month, and when that month's over, the next month's supply comes right to your front door. And one of the things I absolutely love about T.J. Hanley is the instruction card they send with your products. It tells you what to use, how to use it, and when to use it. On top of that, T.J. Hanley is very affordable. It's 25 to 50% less expensive than their competitors. But none of that would matter if T.J. Hanley wasn't effective. And I'm here to tell you, it definitely works. I've been using it for the last 6 to 9 months, and it's done a phenomenal job on my skin. So if you want to be on your way to putting your best face forward, hit that link in the description. Get started with T.J. Hanley today, a skincare system for us men that's simple, affordable, and effective. Next up on the list is a mistake I have to admit is another one I'm guilty of. So don't feel bad if you're in the same boat. Forgetting to make sure you take care of the nose and ear hair. Now, this is one that can easily slip by, especially as you become older like myself. You start growing hair in places you don't want it and losing it in places you'd rather keep it. And this has a very easy solution. Get yourself a simple ear and nose hair trimmer. Take care of that nose and ear hair every 2 weeks or so. Then you're good to go. But this is a friendly reminder, especially to my OGs out there, take care of that nose and ear hair. Next up on the list is the grooming mistake you definitely don't want to make if you don't want to have premature signs of aging. That's forgetting to use your sunscreen. Now, sunscreen is something a lot of guys just overlook. It's just oh so important in taking care of your skin. Protect you from those ultraviolet rays, reduce the chances of getting skin cancer, and just help you look younger, fresher, and healthier. And I don't care if you're young or old, white, black, brown, or any complexion, every guy needs to use sunscreen. Don't make the mistake of thinking you don't use it. And I'm talking about year round. Want to prevent skin cancer, premature aging, and other problems? Use sunscreen every day. Next up on the list is a common grooming mistake I see most men making. That's forgetting to take care of those hands and fingernails. So many guys have nasty, long, unkempt fingernails. This is a big turnoff to a lot of the ladies that you might be doing and not even be aware of. And if you're someone like me who talks with their hands a lot, people's eyes naturally go to your hands. You don't want them looking nasty. It's very easy to take care of your hands and fingernails. Clip, trim, and clean your fingernails and keep your hands clean and moisturized. It's that simple. I try to make sure I take care of my fingernails every week or two or so. It's not that difficult. But trust me, for yourself and especially for the ladies, they pay attention to your hands. Make sure you have a nice routine of keeping them clean, cut, and trimmed, especially those fingernails. Next up on the list is the kissing cousin to not taking care of your hands and fingernails. That's ignoring taking care of those feet. Now, fortunately, most of the time, people don't see our feet too often. But when they do, a lot of times, they are disgusting. You need to take care of them just in the way I mentioned you should take care of your hands. Keep them clean, keep them moisturized, trim, clip, and clean those toenails as well. Your significant other will appreciate it when you're next to each other. You're not cutting up her legs with your gnarled toenails. Let's face it, most of us guys have ugly feet to begin with. Don't compound the problem by not taking care of it. Next up on the list is a mistake I can easily forgive you for because it's kind of something you don't see too often. Not making sure your back is taken care of. Because we don't see our back too often, it's easy to ignore. But trust me, if you look back there, you might be surprised. Might see some unwanted hair, some back knee, dry skin. So every once in a while, make sure you're grabbing the mirror and checking out your back. Or if you're fortunate enough to have a significant other, ask them to tell you what it's looking like. And just make sure you're getting rid of any unwanted hair and taking care of back knee if you have it. I know it's easy to not think about it, but you want to make sure you're taking care of your back. Next up on the list is a mistake that results from a lot of fellas not realizing that sometimes less is more. It's you guys out there that wear too much cologne. Now here's the thing, I want you to wear fragrance. It's a great final detail in your grooming routine. Just take it easy. You do not want your cologne to arrive before you do. It's very easy to use too much. For most colognes, just 1 or 2 sprays will do. Err on the side of less. You will turn a lot of people off if you bathe in it. If you want a little bit more detail on how, where, and how much cologne to apply, I'll leave a link in the description to a couple of videos I've done on the topics that will definitely help you out. But whatever you do not make the mistake of bathing in and wearing too much cologne. Next up on the list is a mistake I see us fellas making way more than the ladies do. That's walking around with dry, chapped lips. I mean, come on fellas, you want your lips to be kissable, who doesn't? And when you're talking, people are looking at your mouth. They don't want to see dry, chapped lips when doing so. It's a very easy fix. Just use some lip balm from time to time. This is probably the easiest mistake to fix on this list. It's only going to take you a couple of seconds to apply. But whatever you do, please don't walk around with dry, chapped lips. And last but certainly not least on my list of 10 grooming mistakes a lot of us guys are still making, this is one for my guys who do have a skincare routine but are leaving out moisturizing before you go to bed. The reason why this is important is because when we're asleep, our body, including our skin, does most of its repair. If you moisturize before you go to bed, during this repair mode, it helps absorb more moisture and lock it in, giving you healthier, fresher skin. It also enhances your skin barrier. and you'll just wake up looking a much more handsome version of yourself. So if you're on your way having a skincare routine, do a little bit extra and moisturize before you go to bed. Okay, so there you have it. 10 grooming mistakes a lot of us guys are still making. Once again, I want to thank today's video sponsor, Tej Hanley. Make sure you hit that link in the description and get started on the most simple, affordable, and effective skincare routine on the market. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out the next time.